So I was scrolling through my comments and saw one that said, "How is this guy so handsome?" Then I scrolled down a little bit further and someone asked me, "Can you show us how to storyboard your videos?" I bet. What is up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? It's your boy, Denny X Studios, or Danny, whatever you want to call me. I've made over 300 videos in 4 months, and the reason I've been able to stay consistent isn't talent or inspiration, it's a system. And today I'm breaking down 2 parts of that system, ideation and storyboarding, so you can do the same. So first things first, I'm the realist. You need a place to store all of your ideas. And the tool I use for everything I'm about to show you is called Milanote. Think of it as like a personal brain drawer. It's a visual workspace where you can dump references, build storyboards, and plan every video before you edit. And once I've got that set up, I open up Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and I doom scroll. And all I'm looking for is anything that catches my eye. The moment I see something cool, I save it. Once you're on Pinterest, just scroll until you see something you like. Let's say it's this thing right here. Right click, press copy image, head back to Milanote and go Control V. It should pop up here on the right. All you do is just drag it, drop it, and it's saved. You can also add notes to it if you want to remember something specific, or comments if you're working with someone else. Let's say you want to take a color from certain UI. Just drag out the color card, go to color, and you should be able to use your eyedropper tool to grab it. Let's say you find a video you like, just click it, copy the link, head back to Milanote, press link, and copy the URL. You should then see that it's a fully visible card so that you can look at the reference without having to go to the actual link. From there, I start building out a mood board. I'm pulling in colors I like, typography, and UI that matches the aesthetic that I'm going for. The only purpose is to give me a visual direction before I start making the storyboard. And then I answer one question. What's the purpose of this video? What do I want the viewer to feel or understand when it's over? And once I can answer that, we're on to the next phase. So this is pretty much a spaghetti bowl of my imagination. Everything I saw that I thought was pretty chill, and now it's time to organize it in a storyboard. So grab the board and drag it on and call it storyboard. And once you have that, you can actually click into it and it turns into an entirely new board. For this, I actually use the template that Milanote has called Film Storyboard. It looks like this. It basically just has a simple shot sequence. You can include descriptions under each shot so that you know what you're doing. So what I usually do is I grab the question, I put it above right there. Then I grab the specific UI that I want to go from one scene to another, and I paste it in there for now. So my idea here is I want to go from that little toolbar there to this big UI. So I put that in scene 1 and I start typing. I'll copy paste that image into scene 2 because I'm using the same reference, and I'll type the description. And then from this UI, I want to go to sort of like a start exercise widget. So I'll shape morph to that again. I'm just using this as like a reference image for what it'll look like. And then lastly, I'm going to shape morph to a timing widget. It'll basically just show the whole process of the app, you starting the exercise, timing the exercise, and then I'll have like a little outro scene. And once you have your sequence laid out, I like to just go back to the original board, copy the colors that I had in mind, and make any final changes before I hop into After Effects. And real quick, if you like any of these videos, I want you to punish that subscribe button for being a bad boy. I'm trying to get to 10k subs by the end of July and make you a better video editor along the way. And now we're finally at the stage where all of that work has paid off and we can start animating. Once you have your basic comp set up and a solid, drag in the first reference image from your storyboard and put it in. What I like to do is center the element that I want to copy. So in this case, the small bar, and then using the rectangle tool, ellipse tool, and text tool, copy the UI. And as you can see, once you remove the reference image, you should have that element inside of After Effects, and then you can start animating. And now you can do the exact same thing with the second reference. So put the element you want to copy or recreate in the center and match it in After Effects. And obviously, you just do this for every single scene until you've recreated everything you planned out in the storyboard, put it together with some camera movement, and you should be done. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy. Leave a like if you did, leave a dislike if you didn't, and let me know what I can improve on. This video gets 400 likes. I'll drop a full walkthrough on how I made the animation that you just saw. But anyways, homies, peace out.